What's up, guys? So today we're doing sort of a double video, a 2-in-1. Ordered some really cool stuff from Tethrd, but we also got these muddy climbing sticks. So we're gonna do a little unboxing and first impressions of these. This is actually my first saddle and my first real introduction into mobile hunting. Done a lot with hang-on tree stands, but all the ones that I've got were the cheap ones that were a little on the bulkier side. Just never had anything that was an ultralight setup like this. So this is going to be really cool, and I hope y'all stick around for my opinions at the end. Just have a billing receipt. Have a cool sticker if you're into stickers. This comes in a lot nicer case than I ever expected. It's very well put together. So this is the Phantom Elite kit in First Light Spectre. And I've been waiting for it to come out in First Light Spectre because I heard that they were going to do it when I was at TAC this past year. But they said they were still waiting on packaging. And I thought that was really cool because that's the camo that I hunt in. So I figured why not wait until it comes out. So this is the kind of pouch that everything that you're going to get comes in. It's in First Light Spectre. And it's got a little zipper here that holds everything. And you take it out and you have the Phantom Elite saddle itself. And this seems really, really, really cool. I've never owned a saddle. I've been in them at Teach and Train, but this is really, really, really cool. I've been really excited about getting into this for a long time. I like that you can pull this bridge up when you get in it. And it just keeps it out of your way, and then you can just tuck this excess in your pocket and get it out of the way. It's got a cool buckle together system. It's not really loud. It seems like it'd be something that you could really easily do. Guys, this is incredibly light. It's even lighter than I was imagining. There's the little patch they have on it. That's cool. What else comes with the Elite kit? So, with the Elite kit, you get these two First Light cis haulers to hold your ropes and things like that. And they came out in First Light as well to match the saddle. And these are going to go on these little loops right here. They have loops around the top and the bottom. And these will just slide up in there and sit like that, which is really cool. Have it very accessible. What's new to these is they have this deep pocket that you can zip up and put everything in. And they have these stretchy pockets out here. So you could put your release or really anything you need, your phone, anything that you don't want to fall while walking to the deer stand, in these little pouches and have it with you at all times. So that's a really cool thing that Tethrd did. And also, with the Elite kit, you get their MVP in First Light Spectre. I guess there's a debate on whether the MVP or the recliner is better, and I can't speak to that because I've never used either of them. This is my first time ever opening a saddle of my own. But I'm very excited to give this a go. They say this works with lumbar support and getting that extra support for long sits, and I think it's going to work out really well. It's very light. It's very well constructed. It just seems like it's going to be something very, very useful. But we'll see. And I also ordered this Predator XL platform. Before I ordered, I was on the fence about whether I should go with a tethered platform or if I should get something that was cheaper, or maybe whether I was going to get the XL or just the regular platform. And guys, what I eventually went with was the XL. And the reason that I went with the XL is it's a little bit larger of a surface. So when I'm coming around the tree, it just gives me that much more to step on. So I have that much more shootability for those around the tree. Tough shot is one thing I really like. There it is. Comes with this not attached. So let's go ahead and cut that off. Set that to the side. And this is insanely light. That's kind of crazy. Comes with this as well. I also ordered this hiss strap. It's a kind of a public land safe hanger for everything. You can put carabiners or bow hangers or whatever you want in here. Open it up and show y'all what it is. So it's got all these loops on it, as y'all can see. And it would go around the tree. Like so. And you could literally hang everything on it and not screw anything to a tree, because you can't do that on most states in public land. Comes with a little strap for the platform. And then last but certainly not least from the tethered package is the actual tether. The thing that is going to keep me to the tree. And this is really cool because it's integrated right there, which keeps it a little lighter. It's got a 5,000 pound load rating. It seems very sturdy. Comes with a very sturdy carabiner. Take this off, show you guys. Very light. You can screw it so it can't come off. Runs up and down. Just a really cool thing, guys. So overall, this has been a pleasant unboxing for me. They packaged everything well. They presented it well. And it seems to be a very sturdy, very lightweight product as they describe it. I can't wait to get into a tree with it. But now we're going to move on to these muddy sticks. Ordered these from Amazon for $150, I think. Get 4 sticks. And I'm still debating whether I'm going to try one sticking or go with 4 sticks at all times. But I would like to have the 4 sticks to have that option. So these weigh in right at 2.5 pounds a piece. So with all 4 of these, you're looking at right at 10 pounds, which is not very heavy at all. They wrap this up fairly well. These are all your brackets to go on the trees. This is kind of a pain. They wrapped this rope all around for packaging and got it all tangled up. So we'll have to undo that. Okay, we have one. We have 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so now that that is done, they come where all of these are very loose, so they'll have to be tightened up. But these fold out for your steps to go on. Top folds out, bottom fold out. It's kind of hard to fold them out, but it's not a bad thing because it keeps you quiet, keeps it silent. Let's open up this and see what parts are in here. So in this, all you have in that little box are the little brackets that you screw in to go up to the tree, which are very, very, very important to have. These actually are supposed to rotate toward the tree in whichever direction. So if you have a knot on your tree, it can rotate a little bit that way or rotate a little bit that way, which is great because, as we all know, climbing, it's not a great thing to have a knot right where your stick needs to go. But really, the main reason that I bought this particular set of sticks is for this attachment method. You go around the tree, however big your tree is, and then you take your rope and you just pull it in there. And once you pull it in there, you can do a half hitch or something, or whatever you need to do to feel secure with it, that it's not coming off. But that now can't slide out of there. So when you set it, it can't go anywhere. And the only reason you have to tie your half hitch is so that when you're coming up, you don't accidentally kick it out, because they can have a tendency, they can't pull this way, but they do have a tendency to want to just kick out. So that's why you tie your half hitch in there, so they can't pull out. Ultimately, I think these are great. I think the saddle is great. I think the boxing could have been a little bit better with these Muddy Pros, but I cannot wait to get in a tree and test everything out. I'll make a video about that too and show that to y'all. But until then, this is the Tethrd Phantom Elite kit. And this is your Muddy Pro 4-pack of climbing sticks. Can't wait to get in the tree and use them. See y'all in the next video.